Okay, now before I get to whiteboard, which is a really big function of the panel, I'm just going to touch on a little feature that I had in the previous video, and that's our settings. This is where a lot of the power works in. So we have our network settings. So we have wireless, Ethernet, Bluetooth, device management. So I can control my output. I can also control my camera. Now I can have another camera put on top as well. So the camera we're using in front of me is a PTZ camera. And I can actually mount that on top and I can control two cameras if I want. Wallpapers, I can have lots of different types of wallpapers. They can be static or they can be dynamic. So if I choose the dynamic one, that goes back to the tray board one that we use for touchboard, which is our rolling earth. But Paul wants me to use this one today, so let's use this one. Date and time, of course, Brisbane, whatever. Languages, power settings, quite simple. About is an important one for us, or for you as well. That will give you your serial number. That's where you can change your device name. So if you have multiple panels in multiple rooms, you can physically change what rooms they're in. So when you talk to Paul about this management software that we can load onto your computer, which you can then control or have a look at your panels across a standard network, that is a huge feature, and you can see those panels across there. Have a chat to Paul on that one. Paul's a better person for that one. As you see, Android 11, very simple to use. But let's just go back into network settings. So under Ethernet, we have two RJ45 connections for our local area network. I can set it for auto or I can set it for static. But the important one is I can also set a manual proxy. If you have a dedicated proxy network in your environment, you can set whatever you need to do. In wireless, you'll see I'm connected to my mobile phone here. In that, I can also set my manual proxy as well. Now, if you can't see a network because it's hidden, and let's say you particularly use an 802.1 network, I can actually go and type in what that network name is. I can do my certification, type in the username, password, and then confirm it. It's a really simple way of connecting a network that uses 802.1. You might not use MS Chat v6. And yes, that is named after me, Mr. Scott Chapman. So, and I'm version 2, but I am version 1. But I do have all my other settings as well. Okay. And we'll just backspace there, go back into my settings. So very, very easy to control the network settings of the panel itself.